Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Happy New Year! Just giving you a glimpse of my plants, how they're doing around this time of the year. It's winter time, it's cold season, so temperature would drop down to 40 or even lower than that, 38, 39 degrees. So here are my plants. These are in shaded area because some of them are sensitive. And the holiday cactus are doing great. They're blooming. The ones that are blooming are Christmas cactus right now. They're pretty. These are my succulents that are in shaded area. So yeah, they're happy, doing good. And I don't water them around this time because there's a big chance that if they're overwatered or if you water them right now because of the temperature, they might rot. So just to avoid that, these two are really cute, isn't it? I made sure that these are in the shade because the pot or the planter doesn't have a hole. The plants are really happy and they're beautiful. Look at that. So I've created this little greenhouse, a DIY. It's because these are sensitive plants. Most of them are ituberias, so making sure just to avoid rotting, because I had an experience before and they don't really tolerate cold weather, so I thought of placing them in greenhouse. They're dormant right now. And here's my parsley. And here are the beautiful, these are aeoniums, and look at that, beautiful, right? Around this time they are actually, this is their season to grow. So cold weather, that's a time aeoniums really grow. And this is our variety of plants here, mixed. And yeah, look at that. So it's been a while that I haven't really posted a long video, so I've always been doing the short uploads. So for some people who are asking, oh, how come you're not posting a long video? I was just so busy with my work. So I hope you like this video. And here are my 2 inches plants that I sell, and these are a variety of succulents. And look at this. Yeah. Rotting. We can't rescue that anymore. It's already dead. And it's because it's been raining really hard, and yeah, so the temperature really colder. But look at my aeonium again. So they're really growing. They're actively growing around this time. They're happy. And yeah, this is another aeonium. Mountain rose. You call that mountain rose. Around summer, the rosette are closed. But around this time, it's because they're growing and producing more buds. So leaves are open. Yeah. And boom, boom, boom. Luckily, they're doing good. This one, pretty. And some of them are, I have those propagation. Yeah, it's messy. That's the life of a gardener. It's a never-ending job. So you just get to enjoy the mess. And look at this beauty. Look, isn't it pretty? Yeah. So yeah, they're cute. So that's the beauty of growing succulents. They're very resilient, and you can basically grow them anywhere, especially those that are the native succulents that they call, because all of the imported ones are more sensitive, the crossbreed, the hybrid ones. So native succulents, they're more resilient. So yes, I don't know if you've seen my video when I posted this, and if you haven't seen it, check out my YouTube channel. It's Gardening with Filipina, and I think I uploaded a short video for this. Yeah, how I arranged this, and the repotting too was there when I bought this. And look at this right now, it's so pretty. Yeah, I had to put this in the shade because the planter doesn't have a hole, just to avoid rotting, so I had to put it in the shade. So stay with me, I'm gonna go check my other plants right there. So yeah, the hanging plants are doing good. So my plants are all over the place. I have so many pots, but actually I've sold a lot already, but still there's still a lot in here. And here are my plants. The reason why they still survive, even, or they don't rot anymore even though it's been raining, it's because these are old plants and they're well rooted already, so you didn't have to worry about rotting situation. And yeah, so they're doing great. They thrive, rain or shine, they survive because they're healthy and well rooted already. It's been my plants for years. And I have their calamansi, I don't know if you're familiar. And yeah, my sister gave it to me. Thank you, Rose, for the calamansi. And here is my frame. I had a rosette here that I had to cut because I'm trying to save it, and because I was worried it was gonna rot because of the rain. So hopefully this will produce buds here. And the rosette, I saved it and I planted in a different pot in the shade. And yeah, so this is also one way of saving your succulent. Just cut it, and you can plant it when weather is warmer. This one is surviving. Look at that. I've had this is my first video. Oh, look at this, but it's still here. I probably need to repaint the chair. Okay, these are my outdoor orchid plants. It's pretty easy to take care. Really beautiful blooms. And I have a mini greenhouse there that another aeoniums. They're pretty. Lily pad, and I forgot the name of this one. I don't know if it's sunburst, something like that. So they're pretty, right? And look, let me go closer to my my aeonium. Another beautiful aeoniums. Look at them, really growing fast. And soon I'm gonna propagate this. Mardi Gras, I think this is Mardi Gras, aeonium Mardi Gras. Leave the comment down below if you're familiar with this, and if you can share a picture of your plant too, that would be nice. I don't know if I've shown this closely. But yeah, look at this. It's so cute, right? Yeah, and I have some plants. I have some succulents, important ones inside too. I'll show it to you next time. And just sharing with you these lovely plants. I hope this will brighten up your day. And thank you for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing for more gardening tips. Bye! See you in my next vlog.